Hello students, welcome to your EVS lecture. So children, today we are going to do the workbook exercise of the chapter celebrations. Okay. First is that look at the pictures and complete the blanks. First one, the festival celebrated on 15th August is now which is the which is the festival that is celebrated on 15th of August? Okay, it is a national day. Which it is? It is, tell me, Independence Day. Okay, you have to write here Independence Day. You all know the spelling, so I am not writing it. Okay. Second, people hoist uh, the dash flag and sing the national dash. So, what do people do on that day? People hoist the national flag. Okay, here you will write national and sing the national anthem. Okay, so here you will write anthem and you can see the spellings in your textbook. Then it is third one is that Republic Day is celebrated on. So tell me, when is Republic Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 26th January, right? 26th January. Okay. Then fourth is that there is a grand parade at Dash in New Delhi. So where is this parade held? It is held at Rajpath. Okay, here you will write Rajpath. Now you have to name the following. So look at the festival. So now name the festival. So can you look at the picture and name the festival? So which is the festival? It is a, tell me. In this picture you can see a lady, okay, and she is worshipping. So which is the festival? It is Pongal. Okay, so you will write here Pongal. Now name the state. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. So you will write here Tamil Nadu. And the sweet dish which is prepared is Pongal rice. Okay, so that you will write it here. You have to do it by yourself. So I am not writing the answers here. Then it is that name the festival. Okay, this one here you can see a boat. So we can easily name the festival. It is Onam. Now name the state Kerala. And now what is the main attraction here? The main attraction is the snake boat race. Okay. So you will write here snake boat race. Okay. Now next is circle the words related to the festival. Who is he? Who is he? Can you tell me who is he? Yes, he is Gandhi Bapu. He is Mahatma Gandhi. It is Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. So circle the words related to the festival. So if you see the word related to the festival, that is, it is observed on 2nd of October. Right. So when is Gandhi Jayanti? It falls on 2nd October. So you will circle this. Okay. Now Lohri. Now where Lohri is celebrated? Can you tell me? In which state? Punjab. Then bonfire, pichkari, sugarcane. It is all there, but what we will write is Lohri. Then we will write here Punjab. And then what do people do? So here the words related to this festival is Punjab. And then even bonfire, right? People even light bonfire. And pichkari, is the pichkari word related to this festival Lohri? No. Then sugarcane. Okay. Same ways here also you have to circle 2nd October. Then Mahatma. Yes, people used to call him Mahatma. Chacha? No. But Bapu. Yes. So you have to circle these words. Right? So you have to circle the words that are related to the festival. So now fourth is color the picture. You have to color this picture. It is which festival? Can you tell me? Holi, festival of colors. Right. So you have to color So you have to color this. Okay, so color it with nice bright colors. Okay children, so that's all for today's EVS lecture. So complete this. If you can't understand anything, then you can let me know. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a very good day.